hearing wrapping up in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin just minutes ago. The defendant, a 14-year-old accused of killing 10-year-old Lily Peters. That teen appearing at the hearing via video link from a nearby jail. And NewsNation correspondent Kelly Beeson has followed this case from the very start. Kelly, what did we learn from today's hearing?
Well, Nicole, while the name of the juvenile suspect in this case is not being released, we now know his next court date has been set for the end of June. The status conference will be conducted with the defendant and his new representation, Wisconsin attorney Michael Cohen, appearing virtually. So the big question now is, will the suspect be tried as an adult or a juvenile?
She was just a sweet, innocent little girl. There needs to be some type of justice here.
It's a case that sent shockwaves through a tight-knit town in northwest Wisconsin. A 14-year-old stands accused of sexually assaulting and murdering 10-year-old Lily Peters, a little girl who never returned home from a visit to her aunt's house. Her body was discovered north of the Chippewa Falls residence in the woods.
It is almost impossible to believe that something this horrific could happen in our city.
Shortly after that discovery, authorities took a 14-year-old known to Lily into custody. He remains behind bars at $1 million bond. He's been charged with first-degree intentional homicide, first-degree sexual assault, and first-degree sexual assault of a child under the age of 13.
Wisconsin law mandates that anyone over 10 that commits a murder, that is charged with a murder, start in adult court.
Rachel Fizet is a criminal lawyer who says there are several factors that come into play regarding whether he's tried as an adult or a juvenile.
Whether it's good for the community, if he can be rehabilitated, how, as a juvenile, it benefits really the community and him and the rest of his life. And I believe that decision will take some time and some argument by his attorneys.
According to the district attorney Wade Newell, the teen suspect has said his intention was to rape and kill the victim from the get-go. Jennifer Coffendorfer is a former FBI agent who says in 2019 there were more than 860 minors arrested for murder, noting that many of these cases have similar storylines.
Typically, they are individuals who have been abused themselves and individuals who truly don't have empathy for life anymore.
And criminal attorney Rachel Fizet says if tried as an adult, the 14-year-old suspect could face life in prison. However, as a juvenile, there's an attempt to get offenders out of the detention center by 21 years old. So a big swing in consequences there. This is a decision, as you heard in the piece, that will likely take some time and argument by attorneys in this case. The teen's next court date is set for June 24th. Nicole.
All right, Kelly, we know you'll be watching. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.